All right, so in this video, we got a brand new feature, the ability to um, create partial payment on a specific invoice. Um, in this example, what we're going to do is we have an invoice that I set for myself, to myself. So we have an invoice here, and so what we're going to do is create a partial payment, right? If somebody were to make a partial payment, let's just say they gave you a check or they gave you cash. There's a way in the system in GoHighLevel where you can um, record payment right here. So let's just say you click on record payment, and now you can record a payment using a credit card, or you can now record manually. Now you can also go in here within the invoice itself, and when you click on this three dot right here, record payment, and that takes you to the same screen. So let's record a manual payment here, and let's just say they've already paid you $300 here. And what we're going to do here is they gave you a cash, let's just say, for example, $300. Let's say you just met them and they gave you $300, and you would put a note here. Let's just say, today's January 3rd, 2023, and, paid me cash in person, right? And so you go ahead and submit that, and now payment is completed, and go ahead, and you can see right here is payment, partial payment here. And so when you click on this, you can see here pay 697, which is what's due. How do you create an email campaign or email where you would send an invoice of what's due and what has been paid? For that, if you go to the marketing under email campaigns, and let's just say that let's go ahead and create a brand new blank template here, and we'll go to design editor, and let's just go here and start from scratch. You have in here the ability to create custom value here. Let's just say you are creating a template invoice, payable invoice. You can create a specific email, and you want to put a custom field of what's due and um, the amount that is due, and you can go to the custom field here, and under invoice right here, there is amount due, right? So let's just say this is amount due, invoice, whatever that number is, right? And then this this is amount due, and then here also under invoice, you can put amount paid, right? So, and say the invoice paid amount, right? And then you could just put in here, right? This is the amount that is due, and you can send out an email and accordingly using custom values. All right. So I hope this new feature is going to be helpful for you to get more money for your business. All right. See you next time until the next feature update.